It's time for another gardening update. Okay guys, hi. Look like we got some life. I don't know what this is, flowers or tomatoes, I'm not sure. But whatever it is, it's a lot of them and they're growing. Can't wait, it might be flowers, but just want to share this. Got some life. Seeds have started sprouting and started to grow. That's all I got for you today. And I'm about to check this with my plant app and see which herb this is. And this one here, I'm gonna check it and I'll let you guys know. All right. Look at that big nasty weed growing wild in my lemon plant. I'm about to take it out. I'll be back. Oh, I'm about to go out here on the balcony garden and clean up a few things. Especially over there. It's a plant right there behind that white bucket. It's a bell pepper plant growing some bell pepper. So I'm about to go out there and clean that up right there behind that white bucket. I'm about to clean that up. I'll show y'all the after results when I'm done. And I'm about to move one of my statues back there toward the lemon tree. So I just got through cleaning them nasty weed things out of my lemon plant. I'm about to put, where's my plant food? I'm about to put one of these on my lemon tree, on these big plant food spikes on my lemon, in my lemon tree. And I'll probably put one in the bell pepper plant too. JENITA'SBF organic fertilizer spikes, all purpose. And I got some of this JENITA'SBF organic for bountiful succulents and cacti. Pre-measured low odor, low release formula feeds the proper amount. That's plant food for my succulent plants. Yep. My hand look crazy holding this package. Sorry y'all. But that's what I'm about to do. So let me go back out here before I lose my energy. Okay guys, it is I back again. Miss Janita on the balcony garden. Yes, I'm out of breath because I've been doing a few things. My daughter's helping me sweep, put stuff in the trash. A lot more to do, but we got a lot done. I've moved a few of the statues down toward the end of the lemon tree. The bird, the turtle, lay down that way. And I have to really straighten this stuff up because getting ready, I want some barbecue. Spring barbecues, oh yes, oh yes. So I did clean out, remember that plant? Now it's behind the green watering can. The bell pepper plant, one of them plants survived. I just put a plant food spike in there, watered it. Cause believe it or not, that plant is budding and growing some dang bell peppers. Can you imagine? I gotta do some, what do you call it, jalapeno peppers, because I haven't planted any jalapeno peppers yet. I did plant some tomato. I think the cherry tomatoes, but I haven't done the Romas yet. I don't know. Got to get back out, but little at a time. So I conserve my energy. So we got a couple of the albino frogs. Well, 3 of the albino frogs sitting out here in the front view as I come out the door. Then over here, I repotted my my succulents plant in the lady head I set out there. So when I put up the succulent plant food spike in that. So we'll see how healthy that plant gets. And I guess you see the little frog sitting in the background back there next to the plant head lady. And you see in that pot right there, lots of stuff has sprouted up. I believe that might be, I don't know, time will tell. But something has started to grow in that pot with the little tiny frog in it. And I'm still waiting on other things to grow. I just planted some more flower seeds. So today's video is like half success, half disaster, because some of the flower seeds and herbs that I planted are not showing a sign of anything. Maybe they need more sunlight, because we haven't been getting that much sun. We've been getting some sun, but not a lot. Hopefully, I don't know, I think it's supposed to rain again this weekend, but we'll see. But I'm satisfied with the work we did do. A lot of sweeping, weeding, and rearranging the statues and stuff. I'm waiting on a couple of other statues that have to be styled on the garden. I'll figure out how to do that. I got some more seeds that I need planting. We got still a lot of work to do. The garden is a never-ending story. And I love practicing gardening, so I know I am in the house talking to you guys looking through the screen, if it was kind of strange, as I'm showing this through a screen. So, yeah, I love practicing gardening, and when I get my little energy up, yes, I do come out, and if I can get help, I really appreciate it. So, yeah, real reason, shoot, I had to get this place straightened up, because I'm ready for some barbecue ribs and some barbecue thighs. That's my favorite piece of the meat. Barbecue is the thigh. But yeah, so just want to come and share what's going on the balcony garden. I moved a few things around. There go some birds over there. And stuff that got to be straightened up over on that side. But we did a lot. I'm not going to complain. A lot has been done, and a lot more is going to be taking place eventually. I don't know about my dang black rose plant. I hope it makes it. My husband got me that. And I just hope it survives. Because some of these plants, succulents, light, and some of them don't like all that old light. They like a little, maybe, but that's what they mean by get a few minutes or whatever, seconds, hours, whatever, of sunlight. They don't like all day long, but burning up in the sun. So I'm getting a picture of the lingo of the gardening discussion about plants. You know, when you say only so much sunlight for this plant, because folks from decades and centuries and whatever have been gardening, and the skills or the knowledge exists already, and folks like myself just catching up from experiencing and practicing gardening and really understanding what the heck is really going on, and now fully getting it, you know, getting the full idea, the full concept the understanding of what folks mean when they say what they mean. When you garden, you gotta do this, that, or the other. And when you tend to want to break the rules, you find out the hard way. And believe me, I have been gardening and practicing gardening long enough to know the rules I have continued to break and keep finding out the hard way and wasting money because I keep demising my plants from being hard-headed and keep thinking that's gonna work. And I've been reading and I've been experimenting and getting the results that I didn't want because hard-headed. But now, shoot, like I said, once you get that true understanding of why it's that way and why you can't do it that way, yeah, you be all right. Anyway, like I say, the turtle and the big bird, big mama, is sitting back there by the lemon tree. The lemon tree has got a food spike in it. It's fed, it's weeded. Took all them nasty weeds like I showed y'all. Hope I showed y'all that earlier in the video, because this is all parts of a videos that I'm stringing together to show y'all before and after. Okay, so y'all know through past videos what things was looking like over here out the screen door when the whole family was here talking about the new guy, you know, the turtle, sitting back there. But I guess I'll show y'all that the next time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Happy gardening.
I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.